Hello, I'm Paddy Madden and I'm a heritage in school specialist. I'm here at Castle Warden Crossroads in County Kildare and I'm here to talk about heritage on your doorstep. I have chosen a plant beside me here called Praiseach Bhuí, or Charlock in English, and it has links to the Great Famine. It is related to the cabbage family if you look at the leaf, and it has 4 bright yellow petals. So how is it linked to the famine? Well, as you probably know, 1 million people died in the Great Famine from hunger and 1 million people emigrated. The poor people of the countryside died of hunger because they relied on the potato. So they looked around for wild plants, and one of them was this one, and nettles and carrageen, which is a seaweed. My grandfather, Paddy Madden, from Coitir, County Galway, was asked in 1938 by a school child, had he any memories of the famine. And he said, during the years 1846 to 1847, great numbers of people died. They were buried without any coffins because so many died that they were not able to keep them made. They used to eat praiseach and rotten turnips and mangels. They also used to boil Indian meal and eat it for their supper. So the next time you see Praiseach Bhuí in your locality, look around and see can you find it, and think of the people who died during the famine. Think of the people who survived on this, and also think of your great-great-great-grandparents. Maybe they survived because they found this locally. So happy hunting.